What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to link Google AdSense to Blogger. So right here on Blogger, you're going to go over to earnings. And then of course you can see your AdSense details right here. And of course, once you scroll down, you can see remove AdSense. And this is because this account is already linked to Google AdSense. We're going to click on remove AdSense for a bit. And if you're not connected to Google AdSense, this is what you'll see. So you'll need to click on connect AdSense in order to link it to Google. And you can do this successfully by clicking on connect AdSense. And you can see right here, connected. And you can see go to AdSense. And this is because your Blogger account is now connected to AdSense. If you're doing it for the first time, you'll see create AdSense account or something like that, which you will need to click on and it will take you to this AdSense page. There are some steps to follow, and at this point you'll be able to see thanks for connecting the site once you follow through with the easy steps which they'll be prompting you to follow through. So right here on Blogger, you just simply need to look for the AdSense related button such as create an AdSense account or connect AdSense account as you've seen in this tutorial. So this is how to link Google AdSense to Blogger.